Right now, the only limitation of transcatheter valve therapy as therapy for just about everybody with aortic stenosis is the fact that these valves have some paravalvular leak 5 to 10% of the time that can be significant, and that the risk of stroke with a transcatheter valve is slightly greater than the risk with open heart surgery. For that reason, the device is only approved right now for inoperable and high-risk patients as an alternative to surgery, and we're testing it as part of the PARTNER 2 trial in intermediate risk patients. But I think in the future, if we can solve aortic insufficiency and if we can prevent strokes during the procedure, there's really, the sky is the limit for this as an alternative that is easier, safer, and more and becomes the patient preference as opposed to open heart surgery for aortic stenosis. The new Edwards SAPIEN 3 valve, which has just begun trials outside of the United States, is a newer version of the current SAPIEN valve that we are using. It's really the third generation of this device. The SAPIEN valve is the first one that was approved in the United States. The XT version of that valve, which is hopefully going to be approved sometime this year, is the one that we've been using in the PARTNER 2 trials and is really an improved version that will quickly replace SAPIEN if it's proven to be as effective. And SAPIEN 3 is the next generation device that will hopefully prevent paravalvular leaks to a greater extent. But other companies aren't standing still, and there are a number of valves and clever solutions coming along to prevent paravalvular regurgitation, and cuffs that inflate as the valve goes up, cuffs that expand as they become wet, and various other alternatives that will help prevent paravalvular leak, and other devices that are being developed to help prevent emboli from going up to the brain that are caught or trapped or deflected in order to reduce the risk of stroke with this procedure. And I think if we can solve both of those problems, the sky will be the limit for who can get a transcatheter valve instead of a traditional surgical one.